So 2014, it's been a big year overall, and let's start off with the good news is KORE have developed and cemented our position as the leading global service provider in the M2M industry with our acquisition of RACO Wireless, which closed just a couple of weeks ago. We're all very excited about that because that undoubtedly puts us in the same league, if you like, as many of the actual carriers around the world and cements the path for future growth and acquisitions. But let's look more generally at 2014. I think this is the year in which the Internet of Things finally became the overall topic and the overall moniker for what the industry that we work in. M2M is still part of our industry, but it's only a subset now, and it's focused very much on business-to-business applications and on cellular service provision. Internet of Things includes everything, including such things as wearables. 2014 is the year in which wearables came to the fore and became a consumer item. You could go down the street and buy a Fitbit device or any of the other dozen competitors. Apple and Google all came to the party. Apple developed their health kit. Google are developing Google Glass in a big way. There's many other things coming to the market. All the big name companies have an M2M or actually an IoT strategy now and are doing a lot of research in those areas. Google bought Nest, for example. They want to put Google into every home, not just on your PC, but on every device that you've got. 2014 saw the rise of the application development platform. For too long now, people have been starting out themselves and reinventing the wheel. The rise of platforms like the Exada platform and the ThingWorks platform, which have both joined together during the year, has meant that you can have a repeatable, standardized application development profiles across the different verticals. That means you can get products to market much more quickly, and it reduces your development costs dramatically. We'll see a lot more of that over the next couple of years as well, but 2014 is where it really started to get a lot of attention, to the extent where a number of carriers are actually promoting those products as ways of helping them get to market more quickly as well. 2014 saw I think the beginning of the end of 2G new product development. We're still seeing a lot of 2G products out in the field, and in fact it's what we primarily supply to most of our customers. Some networks around the world are slowly starting to turn off 2G, but in the meantime, application developers and hardware developers are starting to slow down the development of new products for 2G. And that effort's starting to go into places like LTE, 4G product development. There's only a sprinkling of that around at the moment, but we should see more of that coming in the years to come. And I think the final thing to close on is where I started, which is the consolidation of the M2M industry globally. KORE's been part of that, and we'll see more and more of that over the next couple of years as well.